I just did a review on this bottle and I thought peanut brittle, which inspired me to make another old fashioned. Are you ready for a peanut brittle old fashioned? Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez and I'm coming at you with a new and one that I created old fashioned. As I mentioned before, I did a review on this bottle and I really liked it. So if you have not seen that review, I will leave a link to it right here. But, you know, a lot of times with Jack, you get that banana smell, and there has some of that in there. Oh, this one smells so good. This one, in the beginning, gave me not even just a hint, but a nice flavor of peanut brittle. I tasted peanut brittle, and I'm not sure why. So I'm very curious if I'm going to get that again, but it inspired me to do a peanut brittle old fashioned. So that's what we're doing today. Let's go ahead and talk about the peanut brittle old fashioned ingredients. Well, of course, we're going to start with 2 ounces of Jack Toasted, the Heritage. Somebody might be like, should we waste it? This is supposed to be coming on the shelf. It's supposed to be a shelfer, so I'm hoping that's what it becomes, and it's one that we can get all the time. Next, gotta have bitters. Black walnut bitters. Yep, we're gonna add some more nuttiness to this. Then I kind of cheated. I like to make my syrups most of the time, and I was actually thinking about using my brown butter, and it could work. It could work. But this combination just seemed to work, and for some reason, my daughter had these here. I think she used them in her coffee, which is caramel. Not a lot of it left, but just enough. I don't need a lot of it. But I'm also going to be using peanut butter vodka or peanut butter liqueur. This one's a peanut butter cup flavor whiskey. So this is actually a peanut butter whiskey. So ingredients for my peanut brittle old fashioned. All right, now that we have all the ingredients set up, let's go ahead and start making this. We're going to start off with the bitters. We're going to do 2 good dashes of these bitters. 1, 2. My buddy Noah would add another one. I'm going to add a little extra on that one. So a little bit of extra bitters. We're also going to be adding a little bit of this caramel simple syrup. Now this is pretty sweet stuff. You don't need a lot of it. It's actually very, very sticky. So we're going to be doing about 1/4 ounce. 1/4 ounce of this. Oh, crap. That way over. So 1/4 ounce. And next we're going to be doing 1/4 ounce of this whiskey. So at least I'm adding more whiskey. I don't know why I was thinking it was like liqueur or vodka, but I'm pretty excited that it is a whiskey. So we're going to add about 1/4 ounce of that as well. We'll see if we need a little bit more of it. I'll let you know at the end if I'm adjusting this at all. And then we're going to do 2 ounces. So I'm going to do 1/2 ounce there. And the other side is 1.5 ounces. So 1.5 ounces on this side. 2 full ounces of that. Already smells yummy, yummy for my tummy. All right, let's get this out and let's stir this up a little bit. So make sure you stir it and get a good nice chill on this glass. We don't want to over stir it either. We want to get it so that's a nice good temperature. So as we drink this, we enjoy it more and more. Ooh, I'm missing something. Let me go grab that really quickly. I almost forgot an important ingredient. Peanut brittle. I need some peanut brittle for some garnish, right? Especially after I went all over town looking for this stuff. So it took me a while to find peanut brittle in my area, at least some good stuff. So garnish with the peanut brittle. I mean, you can put it in, you can put it on the side. I'm gonna leave it on the side for you. So there you go, my peanut brittle old fashioned. But time for the fun part. Let's go in for a sip. It smells like peanut brittle on the nose. It smells like peanut brittle on the nose too. Hey, winner, winner so far. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Peanut brittle old fashioned. It honestly could use a tiny bit more. So let's try that. I'm gonna put a tiny bit more of this. Not even 1/4, like maybe 1/8 of an ounce. I just want to see if that adds any more of that nuttiness that I'm looking for. Going for that again. Yep. So it's a little bit over 1/4 ounce of the peanut butter. Just a tiny bit more. And then the caramel was just fine in there, just nice enough sweetness. You kind of, peanut butter, you get more of that peanut flavor in there, and that's what I was kind of going for. So I'm going to go in for another drink, but this time I'm going to take a bite of my peanut brittle. I love peanut brittle, so here we go. Peanut brittle old fashioned. There you go. Well, my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my old fashioned rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.